Blood is a vital fluid in the human body that transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products to and from cells, helping maintain life. And blood is composed of four main components: red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Plasma is the yellowish liquid part of blood that makes up about 55% of its volume. It carries water, salts, hormones, and proteins, and helps transport nutrients, waste products, and other blood cells throughout the body. Q blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the body and remove carbon dioxide. They contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds oxygen. White blood cells help defend the body against infections and diseases by attacking harmful microbes. Platelets are tiny cell fragments in the blood that help stop bleeding. They gather at the site of a cut or injury and form clots to seal the wound. Functions of blood: 1. Transport of gases, nutrients, and hormones. Blood carries oxygen from the lungs to tissues and removes carbon dioxide. It delivers nutrients from the digestive tract to cells. It transports hormones from glands to target organs. 2. Regulation of body temperature. Blood helps distribute heat throughout the body and maintains a stable internal temperature. 3. Protection against pathogens. White blood cells in the blood detect and destroy harmful microorganisms like bacteria and viruses. 4. Clotting of blood. When a blood vessel is injured, platelets and clotting factors in the blood help form clots to prevent excessive bleeding. Blood groups, or blood types, refer to classifications of blood based on the presence or absence of specific antigens on the surface of red blood cells, RBCs. The two main systems used to classify blood are the A, B, O system and the Rh system. 1. A, B, O blood group system. This system classifies blood into four main types based on the presence or absence of A and B antigens. Type O is called the universal donor for red blood cells. Type A, B is the universal recipient for red blood cells. 2. Rh factor, rhesus factor. This is another antigen that may or may not be present on RBCs. Rh positive has the Rh antigen. Rh negative lacks the Rh antigen. Combining A, B, O and Rh, each person's full blood type combines both systems like A positive with Rh factor or A negative without Rh factor. Why blood groups matter? Blood transfusions. Incompatible transfusions can cause serious reactions. Pregnancy. Rh incompatibility between mother and fetus can cause hemolytic disease of the newborn. Organ donation. Matching blood types reduces rejection risk. Diseases related to blood. 1. Anemia, a condition where the body lacks enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin. Types: iron deficiency anemia, sickle cell anemia, aplastic anemia. Symptoms: fatigue, weakness, pale skin, shortness of breath. 2. Leukemia, cancer of the blood-forming tissues, including the bone marrow and lymphatic system. Types: acute lymphocytic, chronic myeloid, etc. Symptoms: frequent infections, fatigue, easy bruising or bleeding. 3. Hemophilia, a genetic disorder where blood doesn't clot properly due to lack of clotting factors. Symptoms: excessive bleeding, frequent nosebleeds, joint pain from internal bleeding. 4. Thalassemia, inherited blood disorder causing the body to make abnormal hemoglobin. Symptoms: fatigue, weakness, pale skin, slow growth in children. Importance of blood donation. 1. Saves lives. 1 unit of donated blood can save up to 3 lives. Used in surgeries, trauma care, cancer treatment, and more. 2. Supports emergency needs. Blood is crucial during disasters, accidents, or complications in childbirth. 3. Helps chronic illness patients. Patients with conditions like anemia, thalassemia, or leukemia rely on regular transfusions. 4. Promotes health in donors, stimulates the production of new blood cells and may reduce harmful iron stores. 5. Community impact, builds a culture of care, generosity, and public health support.